Hey there, welcome to our Keurig K-Express Coffee Machine unboxing and review, where we're diving into all the awesome features of this game-changing addition to your kitchen. Let's jump right in and see what's inside this sleek coffee companion. As you open up the box, you'll be greeted by the stylish and compact K-Express Coffee Machine, designed to effortlessly fit into your countertop space. And hey, it comes with a handy drip tray to keep things tidy, plus an easy-to-follow user manual to help you get started in no time. Now, let's talk convenience. The K-Express boasts a super user-friendly one-touch control pad decked out with intuitive buttons that make selecting your perfect coffee size and strength a breeze. Whether you're craving a bold espresso to kickstart your morning or a creamy latte to treat yourself in the afternoon, the K-Express has got your back. Setting up a piece of cake, just plug in the machine, fill up the generously sized reservoir with water and boiler. You're ready to brew your favorite drinks. But here's the real kicker. This machine doesn't mess around when it comes to speed. With its rapid heating technology, you'll never have to wait long for your caffeine fix. Just hit a button and watch the magic happen. So to sum it up, the Keurig K-Express is all about convenience, giving you a seamless brewing experience every single time. It's more than just a coffee machine. It's your ticket to leveling up your coffee game and making your mornings that much better. And guess what? You don't have to search high and low for this gem. The Keurig K-Express Coffee Machine is widely available, including at top retailers like Walmart, and it won't break the bank either. You can snag one for yourself in the price range of $59 to $79. Whether you prefer shopping in store or online, this awesome coffee machine is within reach. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your coffee routine with the Keurig K-Express Coffee Machine. Grab yours today and brew the love. So why wait? Upgrade your coffee game with Keurig. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.